Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on TOLINO Reader. And as you can see, we're at the first step of the setup and we need to pick a language. So choose whichever language you like and proceed. Then we can connect our reader with Wi-Fi network, but I don't recommend doing this, as when we pick any network and connect, next step is to log in, and some of the devices are region locked and you'll be, for example, mine is locked in Germany, and that will change the language of my entire device to German, and I don't want that, so let's skip the Wi-Fi connection. And here's introduction. You can read some interesting features about this device with the hints. I'm gonna skip them. And here we have it. Setup is basically finished, but we want to connect our reader with Wi-Fi network. So we want to go for these three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now go to the settings, and right here enter WLAN. And now we can finally connect our reader with the Wi-Fi network. So let's go for this one and enter the password, connect, and that is it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.